this might just be the most expensive keyboard I got my hands on. So this right here, it was sent over by Asus, so a huge thanks to Asus for sending this over. This is one of their newer keyboards. It's called the ROG CLAYMORE II, and it's a wireless optical mechanical gaming keyboard, as you can see right here. And it's really nice, really interesting, and we'll be going it through today, and we'll be talking about it and taking a good review at it. So welcome back to my channel. My name is Sam, and today we'll be checking this out. So let's get started. So as we can see from the front of the box, we have the Republic of Gamers logos right here, the keyboard itself, and then of course we have Asus ROG Sync, and it comes with the ROG RX red optical switches, and it's the standard QWERTY US English layout. So this is what the front of the box looks like. On the top, it's a pretty hefty box. It's just the Asus logo, Asus ROG logo. On the bottom, it's just some random stuff, and on the other side of the box, let me just flip it here. It's quite a heavy box, so I'm sorry if I sound out of breath. You can see a few specs right here. So basically, it has a detachable numerical keypad, or we call it a numpad, and you can have different configurations to fit your setup. So basically, you can put the numpad on the left or on the right side. So if you're a southpaw, this is a really good thing. And it has the ROG optical mechanical switches again. So this model right here comes with either the blue or red switches. So blue are clickly and red are linear switches. It has a lag-free connection, ultra-fast 1 millisecond response time, both in wired and 2.4 GHz wireless mode. So this is real life, and it has outstanding battery life up to 48 hours. And of course, it has fast charging and USB Type-C pass-through. So this is the back of the box. Now let's take a look at what's inside and what's provided. Okay, so this is the front of the box. It's quite hefty, as I said. On front we have the Asus logo, Asus ROG logo, and then flip it open. So we have a few compartments right here. I would like to say there's some foam on the top that protects the keyboard, which is really nice. So of course we have the keyboard itself here. Let me just take that out first. Put that aside. Then we have a box right here. What's in it? Let's check it out. We have a few things in the box. We have ROG stickers, which are really nice and reflective. We have the user manual for the wireless gaming keyboard ROG CLAYMORE II, warranty card, and this saying welcome to Republic of Gamers, and a message from them. Then we have a box underneath here. Let me just take it out. Let me just deal with that later, I guess. Let's just take this out. So this at the side is the numpad. We'll be checking it out later, so I'm going to put it to the side. And then we can take out this box, I guess. Then there's this bar. So this, I believe, is the wrist rest. Yep. So the wrist rest right here has the Asus ROG logo, and it's pretty soft. Nice. Okay. And then we have another thing inside here. It's the cable. So this is the charging cable. It's Type-C to Type-C actually, which is interesting. Then we have the dongle. So this is an adapter, I guess. Yep. Adapter from USB to Type-C. And then we also get this, which is the 2.4 GHz dongle. And I think that's it for everything in the box. Yep. So let me just put everything aside and we can check everything out. Now let's check out the main stuff, which is the keyboard and the numpad. So I believe in the big one, of course, it's the keyboard, so we can see. And then on this one, we have the numpad. There is some plastic at the back. Let me just remove it. Okay, so this is what the back of the keyboard looks like. We have the Asus ROG logo right here. Then we have it on the 2 feet, which are adjustable. And then on the top right here, we can see the 2.4 GHz dongle inside here, which is a really nice spot to keep stuff. It's right there. It connects magnetically too, so that's really nice. and then on top we have the on-off switch, and then we have the USB pass-through and the Type-C pass-through. The side profile looks like this, with the switch kind of seeable, and this is what the front looks like with the Asus ROG CLAYMORE II turned on. It has a light on top here, and then again another accent light, and overall it's a really nice TKL layout, just a bit thick on the top and sides, well, because the sides, as you can see, they are removable, so you can connect your numpad to the left or right. Let's check out the numpad now. So this is what the numpad looks like. So there's a scroll wheel up here which is programmable. I think it's preset to the volume. Then we have 4 more switches here which are again programmable. Then we have a standard numpad layout. This is the back. We have another stand, Asus ROG logo, and then that's it. So it connects just through this right here, the connectors. Let me just show you guys what it looks like. And then you just slide it in, and it'll light up, and it means it's connected. So you can use it as a standard layout like this. This is a standard full-size layout. This is what it looks like with the RGB on. And you also can move it from the right side to the left, so it looks like a southpaw layout. Let me just do that real quick. And that was all you had to do. You just had to remove it, then connect it in and just slot it in, and it worked just fine as a normal numpad. So this layout is pretty interesting. Now I'll be using it for a few weeks and I'll be giving my review on it, and this is how it sounds like. Let's go. So let's talk about a few features this keyboard has. So on the top, we of course have the Asus logo, the Asus ROG logo. Next to it, we have the RGB battery indicator, which indicates the battery life because it can be used wirelessly. Besides that, we have the wireless receiver slot, which holds the 2.4 GHz dongle, and then we also have a USB 2.0 pass-through. So on the numpad itself, we have the volume scroll wheel on top, and just below that we have some customizable media keys which are really interesting. We have 4 keys right here which can be customized in the software, and of course the numpad is fully RGB and detachable, so you can place it on the left or on the right. And then of course this keyboard comes with the ROG RX optical mechanical switch, which is really smooth and really nice sounding in my opinion, and I'm really in love with the red ones. They are just so stable. And of course it comes with a magnetic wrist rest, which is really interesting in my opinion. It just clips into place and it works both ways with southpaw or just the normal layout. So I've been using this keyboard for the past few days, and I've got to say it's not my cup of tea because it's a full-size keyboard. I would prefer something more compact, maybe a TKL or a 65%er. But the feature on this, it's wireless, it's fully functional, it's really nice. Especially the main feature is that numpad. So if you're a southpaw and you put it on the left, or you want to use it normally on the right, it works, but it will not work if it's not connected. So it doesn't have its own like battery or its own function. If you want to use the numpad alone, you have to use it with the keyboard. So overall, I would say it's really nice. But for the price, for 900 something ringgit right now on the market, I think that it's a bit high, a bit steep, and it would be good if ROG could maybe come up with a more budget version of this, which I believe kind of exists in the market right now. So yeah, that was my quick unboxing and review of this ROG CLAYMORE II, which I think it's a really big step up from the last Asus keyboard that I reviewed. So again, a huge thank you to Asus for sending this over for me to take a look at. Check them out in the links in the description below. And if you like this video, leave a like. If you dislike this video, dislike it. If you're not subscribed to my channel, get subscribed. I have more content coming like this very soon. And as always, thanks for watching and goodbye guys.